So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pehel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's have talk with PS. I am so sorry for being so irregular on my YouTube channel because I was so busy nowadays. There was some problems, so that's why I was not being so regular on my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry about that. So please forgive me. And now I will be more regular on my YouTube channel. So from today I am going to start a new series which is called #Pehel Chats. So I'll quickly introduce this topic to you, in which every week मैं और आप we are gonna talk about something which you guys suggested me, or things that I think things that I want to share with you, or things that are close to my heart, that are close to your heart, or things that I want that it should be shared with you guys. So every week I will come and I will make a video about that, talking about things. So today the thing which I'm going to talk about today is वो चीज़ जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है, that's very close to my heart, which is how to deal with hate. There are a lot of people, almost everybody, who deal with hate. And if you say me that we don't deal with hate, I mean, what are you made up of? Where have you come from? I mean, every person on this earth has to deal with hate. And you know what, especially for me, it is very very simple to deal with hate because मेरा platform online है, my platform is online. So it's very simple for people to hate me because it's very convenient. So the one thing that haters do is just say anything nasty to you. Like if you are getting hate from somebody, then you just hate it back. You just hate him or her back. Like if somebody comes to you and says something nasty to you, that you're weird, you're not funny, you're bad, then your quick reaction to that has to be that, oh my god, who are you to say me you're weird, you're not funny, and you're very bad? Not me. That should be your quick reaction to anybody who comes and says something nasty to you. But I think if that is the one thing, but if somebody comes and says something nasty to us and then we just say anything back to them again, and they say us again something bad, then the cycle will again continue. So the main thing is that we have to stop that. To stop that, the one thing which I do to deal with hate is that just laugh it off. If somebody comes and says something nasty to me, that actually that you're weird, you're funny, you're good for nothing, you're bad, so I said, oh my god, what are you saying? What happened to you? It's not like that. If you say me I'm funny, so that if I come to the online platform I can make people laugh if I am funny, I take it as a compliment. I literally take it as a compliment. And the second thing, if you want to deal with hate and you don't want to be offended by that hate, then just ignore it. Don't care about it. Don't do anything about it. Just ignore it. If anybody comes and says something nasty to you, then just ignore it and move forward. That's a simple way to deal with hate. Very very simple way. If you will apply this way on your life, then you will be very easily be able to deal with hate. If I read anything, after I post a video, your comments come. When I read that comment and I just start reading a comment, and if at a point of time I think that this will be negative for me, then I just stop reading that comment. But if I get anything, but you know what, when I started this YouTube channel, I was just having like maybe 22, no not 22, only 10 subscribers. Then a person commented on my video, even if it is a negative comment, I feel it, oh my god. And my friends used to say me that, Why do you keep these negative comments with you? Why don't you delete it? That, and I was like, my god, are you mad? A person is taking out time from its from their busy life and commenting on my video. It's like a blessing for me. So that was my reaction during that time when I started this YouTube channel. During that point of time when I started this YouTube channel, that was my reaction to any of the mean comment, even it is a hate comment or a mean comment. That any comment that came on my YouTube video at that point of time, I felt it as a blessing. But if nowadays I read your comments, some good comments are coming, and then I started reading a comment, and at a point of time, if I think that it is going to be mean or it is going to be a negative comment, I just stop reading that comment. I don't read that comment further, because I will not get money to read that comment, or my YouTube channel will not grow up after reading that comment. I just stop reading that comment. But if I am doing a YouTube video, and a comment comes which I think that okay, this comment will improve my content, that kind of comments I will surely read. But if a person is commenting something very stupid things, very bad things, I don't read that comment. I don't care, I ignore it. And if good comments come that okay, you're doing it nice, keep it up, you're making nice videos, I feel it as a blessing. But at a time when a lot of good comments come, I just think that there is no hate in my life. Like, from you guys I have got a lot of blessings. From you all guys I get blessings. You give me all good comments, and that is a blessing on my head, that I think that there is no hate in my life. There are no haters. You know what haters are like? They comment, they say stupid things to you, and you have to not care about it. It's a very bad thing, okay? So you should not at all think about it or do anything about it. Just ignore it, or either just laugh on it and enjoy your life, guys. Yeah. And like, if my family, if my friends comments on my video something good, then I read that comment and it's very nice. And if something bad comments from some unknown person is coming, you know what, if a hate comment comes from a person who's not knowing me, I don't read that comment. I that, oh my god, he doesn't even know me and he's saying bad things to me. I should not read it. I should not care about it. I know myself. But if a person is giving good comments, good something, saying something good to me, or commenting something good about me who doesn't know me, then that's a blessing for me, that a person is actually saying good things to me who is not knowing me. At that point of time, I think that, oh my god, that's a blessing for me. And at that time, I think that there is no hate in my life, and there are so much blessing of you guys who give me good comments, that I don't feel that there is any hate in my life. I love that, guys. So yeah, that is how you should deal with hate. You should not think about it and enjoy your life. The content that I create, I am happy about that. The content that you create, if you are a YouTuber or do anything in your life, just don't care about hate. That is a simple thing I want to tell you. Okay guys, so now I will meet you in my next video, and please comment down that which should be my next video, which I should make. And yeah, now I'll meet you in my next video. Kindly, if you like this video, and if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, then please hit that, please give it a big thumbs up, like this video, comment down below that which should be my next video and how nice was this video. And kindly, if you think that this content that I create is very nice, then kindly please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon next to it, so that you get all the notifications of my channel. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.